Why there is no rule of law in Pakistan? Your question, why is there no rule of law in Pakistan, is bold, honest, and extremely important. Let's break it down with clarity, not just to criticize, but to understand the deep systemic, political, and social roots of this issue, and why Pakistan continues to struggle with true justice and accountability. What does rule of law actually mean? The rule of law means everyone is equal before the law. Rich or poor, civilian or military, politician or citizen. Laws are applied fairly and consistently. No one is above the law, including those in power. Now, let's see why Pakistan often fails to uphold this principle. 1. Military interference in civil institutions. Since independence, the military has overthrown elected governments and heavily influenced political decisions. Even in democracy, the establishment, military plus intelligence, controls or pressures courts, politicians, and media. When those who hold guns can't be questioned by law, rule of law becomes a myth. 2. Politicized and weak judiciary. Courts often act based on political loyalty, media pressure, or military influence, not just the Constitution. Selective justice is common. Opponents are jailed while allies are protected. Delayed justice, cases running for 10-20 years, is denied justice. 3. Corruption at all levels. From the police station to the Supreme Court, bribery, favoritism, and personal contacts often decide outcomes. The rich and powerful can buy their freedom. The poor can't even file in fear. 4. Feudal and tribal systems. In many areas, especially rural Pakistan, waderas, tribal chiefs, and jirgas hold more power than formal law. These systems often violate basic human rights, especially of women and the poor, yet they continue without state challenge. 5. Media manipulation and censorship. Media is often used to create false narratives or distract from real issues like legal injustice. Censorship means people don't even fully understand how the law is being abused or ignored. 6. Fear, apathy, and lack of accountability. Citizens don't trust the police or courts, so they stay silent. Many believe nothing will change, which weakens public pressure. Those in power are rarely held accountable, and even convicted criminals return to power. 7. Lack of civic education. Most people don't fully know their rights or how the legal system should work. 1. No justice, more corruption. 2. More corruption, weaker law. 3. Weaker law, more powerful elites. 4. Powerful elites, no justice, and the cycle continues. What can be done? Judicial independence must be protected at all costs. Military must stay within its constitutional limits. Police and courts need reform, digitization, and accountability. Citizens need to be educated about rights and laws. Media must become a watchdog, not a mouthpiece. People must demand justice, not just from politicians but from every institution. Final words. There can be rule of law in Pakistan, but not until everyone, especially the powerful, is held accountable equally under the law, and not until justice is seen to be done without fear, favor, or influence.